Welcome to the Corpus Christi Public Libraries Crafters Corner.
Today we'll be making Kusudama flowers. The supplies you'll need for your flower are 5 square sheets of paper. We'll be using copy paper today, but you could easily use cardstock. You'll also need glue. Elmer's glue will work just fine. I like to use a hot glue gun though. To make your flower, take your first square of paper, and we're going to take this point of your square and we're going to fold it over so that it is even with that one. We'll be making a triangle. And just give the bottom of your triangle a nice crease, just like that. Now what we need to do is take this corner and we need to fold it up so that it is even with the top corner. Like this. Give it a good crease. And repeat for this side. Okay, so what you have now is roughly a square. We're going to take our points that we just folded up and we're going to fold them back down so that the bottom edge is even with the bottom edge of our triangle. And repeat for the other side. Okay, so this is what we've got right now. Make sure everything is nice and creased. Now let's take this side over here and we're going to open it up a little bit. And those creases that we made will help us flatten our side here. It's going to look just kind of like a kite. And of course repeat for the other side. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to take the point of our kite here and we are going to fold it over so that our folded edge is even with the edge of the bottom part of our flower petal. And repeat for the other side. Okay, make sure you give everything some really good creases. Now we're going to take this flap that we just made and we're just going to tuck it into this part of the petal and repeat for the other side. Okay, we're almost done. What we need to do now is we need to fold this over along this crease, just like that, and repeat it for the other side. Now we're going to fold this side over to this side, but we're going to make sure that we keep this part right here nice and smooth. We don't want to crease it at all. So we're just going to put a little dab of glue here. And carefully fold it over, making sure that we don't crease the back side. Press our little points together. And that is one petal of our flower. Just repeat for the other 4 sheets and we'll meet you back here to assemble everything. Now it's time to assemble your flower. Take your first petal and we're just going to put a little bit of glue right here, and then we're going to take our second petal and we're just going to attach it just like this. Be really careful, you don't want to crease the back side. There you go. So now your petals should look like that. And let's just continue going on. We're going to take the first 2 that we've done, put a little dab of glue right there, take your third petal and attach it just like that. Of course, be careful that you don't crease the back sides. So now your back side will look like this. And there's your front. And here's petal number 4. And our last petal. So now what we're going to do is we're going to put a little bit of glue right here, and we're going to close that flower up. And be really careful that you don't crease anything. And there you go, one Kusudama flower. Thanks for watching, and join us next time on Crafter's Corner. If you like this craft, check out these books from our Makerspace collection.